If you guys already have multiple credit cards with Capital One and they're still sending you some type of marketing, maybe you went to their website, maybe they don't have their ads correct. But if you guys already have two personal credit cards with them, you guys are not going to be able to get any additional credit cards. As far as I remember, like, they said that you are only allowed to have two personal credit cards with them, and they can't be the same exact card. And then also, you're allowed to have two business credit cards with them. You are not allowed to have more than that. But please call Capital One to verify. Now, you did say something along the lines of you already have credit cards with them, you have a balance, and you want to know if you should just pay them down. I do think that if you already have a balance on your credit card, before you apply for any additional credit cards, please go ahead and like pay down your credit cards, because it's going to increase your credit score anyway. And having a higher credit score is automatically going to help you get approved for more credit cards. So please go ahead and pay down your credit cards if you can help it, because it's going to help you guys